All right, yeah, are we rolling? Yeah, we're rolling. All right, couldn't see the little red thing down there. All right, we got to show a short video today. We're not working on mini bikes or anything. The wife and I went on a little road trip today to a car show slash swap meet down in the Houston area, down there somewhere. Anyway, so we actually got a couple good deals. Plus we had to stop by Buc-ee's, get the wife some beef jerky, and I had to get gummy bears. So let's take a look, show you what we picked up today, and tell me what y'all think. All right, walked up to this one guy's booth and he had a few spark plugs. When I said a few, he has a ton of them. But man, we got everything in the world. Look at this holder. This was full, we had to dump it out. But we got tons of Bosch plugs, Champion plugs. Yeah, half these plugs I don't even know what they fit. Some of them look like they fit an old flathead, but yeah. Got the Bosch plugs. Got a set of good headlights. Yeah. No power plug though. Just kidding. We got this box here that had some random stuff in it. Bunch of AC plugs, which since I got Chevys, I have to go through and see what all will fit my old 63, my Bel Air, my old 94 pickup. Then we got some map things. I don't even know what this was. San Antonio. Yeah, I don't know what this is. It's not a map. I don't know. I ain't even looked at it. It's kind of cool looking though. Yeah, got a bunch of fancy, I don't even know what that is, but that's pretty cool. I don't know what the date is on them. Got another box that had a bunch of random seals and stuff in it. Tons of plugs, and these are all, whoa, the door just slammed. Yeah, these are all brand new. You got Autolites, AC. Yeah, so got that box. The other box, the guy had a couple brand new voltage regulators in. You know, that's pretty snazzy. Got another brand new voltage regulator, which this one here might fit my old 63 or my 56, I don't know. Brand new in the box. Throw that over there. Then we got a whole box of Spitting Fire. I don't know what these are gonna fit, but brand new in the box. Yeah, I don't even know what these are. Let's see. It's a FS25 9er B. Yeah, don't know. But we got a whole box of them things that are brand new. And then we got this box here. And I thought this is pretty cool. Look, we got us a whole bag of spark plug shims. So if you're wanting to index your spark plugs, you know, if you do the indexing thing, got a whole bag of them jewels. It's a good spot. These are, what are these? Yeah, got a whole box of them, or whole, yeah, whole tray of them things. That's pretty snazzy. Here's the other plugs we got. Tons of them. Then we got, even down here, we got the good stuff. Got some NGKs in here, Autolites. What were these up here? Yeah, this is a Marine Copper Plus spark plug. Oh, CJ6 or J6C. Golly, can't even talk today. Big old Autolite. Let's take a look at this one. Let's hit this box right here. This box is huge. Tear the box all up. It's a, what is this? It says 18 on the box. Oh, tear the box up. Let's just dump it out so I don't drop it. God almighty, look at that spark plug. Let me hold it in my hand. Look at that. I don't know what in the world that fits. Y'all know what that might fit? That's a big old AC. Number 18. God almighty. Oh, look, the little electrode thing is bent a little bit. Somebody must have dropped it. Man, that is a honker of a spark plug. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, these are all brand new. And I was like digging through them. Wife was down there digging through them. She's like, here's a bunch of NGKs down here in the bottom. And I'm like, what's the number? BPR 5ESs. And I was like, oh, get all those. I need them. Some old Champion. Oh, here's Here's some of the NGK plugs. Yeah, there's tons of them. All these are brand spanking new. Yeah, we got tons of plugs. So I'm going into the new spark plug business. Here's an old, this is an old looking kind of box with that logo on it. NGK BPR 5ES11. See, normally I get a BPR 5ES plug. I put in a lot of lawn equipment and blah, 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 predators. I don't know what the 11 means. Anybody know? Leave me a comment. But this is something I pulled out. Have y'all ever seen this? It's Autolite. It's a TKG-1. Tells you on the back what it comes with. This is an electrical tune-up kit. Contains 8 spark plugs. They're what is that, a A42? Then you got your a set of 1-210 point set. Then you got a 2-206 condenser. And this thing is brand new. Now, I've been turning wrenches a long time. And I got a lot of old oil cans and old stuff like that, you know. But brand new, never been opened. I ain't never seen that. That's pretty snazzy. And then dug around, and I don't know, I haven't went through everything, but I looked down here, and here's one that's already opened. Looks like everything's in it, so we can ease it out. Probably gonna put these on the shelf in my mini bike room, but comes with your points and condenser. That's pretty snazzy. And then you got the plugs down in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 2. Yeah, I thought this was really cool. It might have fell in the bottom of the box, y'all. I don't know. But let's see, we can ease that back in there. But yeah, this is your Autolite tune-up kit in a can. Man, you just throw this in your old trunk, and you have a problem on the side of the road, you get your old can out. Then I was going through and found this box. I'm like, ooh, what is this? This is GM. You got a billet aluminum turn signal indicator. Yep. And you got the billet aluminum fancy for your tilt deal. Man, so I'm gonna have to put that in my old 94, I do believe, or unless I want to put that in, I don't know. Well, obviously, we're gonna put that in something. That was pretty snazzy. Use a lot of these brush things, stick them in a drill. Guy had these dirt cheap. They were like 3 for $5. Then I got a nice Dremel bit. You know, let's pull this out here. You know, so if you want to port your old head, make her a big valve and an intake and all that good stuff. Got one of these snazzy jewels. I use these quite a bit. That was a smoking deal. And then he also had this little polishing deal. You know, if you want to do some porting. He threw everything in a sack, man. I'll make you a smoking deal. Give me $10. Pay the man and let's go. So we got all that. Got spark plugs. What else you get? Oh, echo blower. Another guy had this sitting there. I'm like, what do you want for it? He goes, well, I took this little deal off and couldn't get the screws back in it. So I was just like, I just now looked at it a while ago and I was like, oh, that's all you did? So he even kept the screws. But this, oh, I just dropped it. But yeah, that's just a little plastic cover that goes basically inside. So I got it, pulled it out of the truck a while ago. Pulled it one time without even choking it or priming it, and it fired right up. Not bad for a $20 bill. I buy those all day long. So, I think that's about all we got. So, I'm in the spark plug business now. I got to go through all these and get out what I'm going to need. Figure out what I can use on other projects. Yeah. So, that's a lot. Let's spin you around. So, short video. We wanted to get some, get the Miss Knuckles some jerky. I was out of gummies. Gotta have the gummy bears, man. I eat those things like crazy. So, anyway, we just thought we'd show you what we did today, what we picked up. So, anytime you see a local swap meet or something like that in your area, you never know what you're gonna find. We got an extremely good deal. Got all this for like almost nothing. And we got a little road trip time in. Got to stop by the old Buc-ee's. So, yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. Thank y'all for watching. I pretty much get everything caught up in the shop. So next video, we're back on getting wife's DB30 painted and all that. I've been trying to wait for the weather to get right, and when it's not 500 degrees, when I got to get outside and get all bundled up in sandblasting gear and try not to have a stroke. If y'all ever done sandblasting, you got to have a hood and gloves and jacket and all that stuff on, and it's like 110 outside today. Yeah, not very fun. So we do have to get that done because we can't do nothing else until we get the frame all blasted and all the parts done. So, y'all stay tuned. If you're new, you can go over there and subscribe to the channel. That way you get notified when we do get on that build. And after we get done that build, we're going to go to some old school chopper stuff. That's a small hint. So, thank y'all much for watching. I hope y'all have a good weekend. We'll catch y'all in the next video. And I can't know where the power button is. Oh, here it is. Ready? All right. Y'all take care.